Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account with Frost Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in frostbank.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official website of Frost Bank. Now in order to log into your account, you can just type in your username and your password right at the homepage. To access other kinds of login, you can simply hover over to the Other Logins button and click on your appropriate login portal. To log in, just type in your username. To log in, just type in your username followed by your password and then click on the login button and you will be logged in to your account with Frost Bank. You can also open a new account if you don't have one by clicking on the Open an Account button underneath the login section. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account with Frost Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.